How to create or sign in DeepSeek AI account. It's simple and easy. So let's get started. First of all, open the DeepSeek AI application on your mobile device. On the login page, you will see a few options to sign in or create account. At the bottom, you will notice option to sign in with your Google account. You can simply tap on one of these for a quick setup. But you are preferred to sign up manually, tap on sign up. You will now be prompted to enter your email address or phone number, depending on your region. After entering your email, create a strong password for your account. Then tap on send code to receive a verification code. Now you will be asked to complete a simple puzzle to prove you are not a robot. Once you have done that, check your email or message for the code. Then enter the verification code in the app. Now just tap on sign up and you will be logged into your DeepSeek account. And that's it, you are in. You can now start using DeepSeek just like ChatGPT or Gemini to generate response with AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.